Beverages are more than thirst quenchers. They reflect our choices and impact our health. Dr. Men teaches, warmth, purity, and moderation are the guiding principles of mindful drinking. Mr. Yu, battling emphysema, held his bottled water tightly. Dr. Men advised, avoid cold drinks. Add ginger to warm tea, sip frequently, and protect your lungs from the chill. Warmth is the essence of care. Dr. Men emphasized purity. Water should be just water. Resist the allure of trendy drinks. If you seek medicinal benefits, consult a professional. Random concoctions only mask their true nature. Simplicity is key. Xiao Hong drank only sugary drinks for years, neglecting water entirely. Her fibroids were a wake-up call. Dr. Men warned, excessive indulgence in sweet drinks harms the body. Water is your best ally. Warmth, purity, and moderation. Dr. Men's principles transformed lives. Simple beverages like tea and water restored harmony and health. True wellness begins with mindful choices, one sip at a time.